Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to stop anyone from downloading your TikTok video. Go to the TikTok app from your apps list. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on three dot from the top right corner. Then from the account section, tap on Privacy and Safety. Here you can see an option Who can download my video. Tap on this. This option is selected as Everyone. That means everyone can download your video. If you want that only friends can download your video, then tap on Friends. Or if you want nobody can download your video, then tap on Off. That's it. From now on, no one can download your video. In this way, you can stop others from downloading your TikTok video. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.